Right, we've got a volume problem here. Now, it's actually worth 6 marks. I sort of cut off the second page because we don't particularly need it. It's blank anyway, it just tells you how many marks there are. So, what we've got is shape A, which is a hemisphere and a cone, and we've got shape B, which is a cylinder, and we're told that the two volumes are the same. So, essentially, let's work out the volume of A. Now, the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, so the volume of a hemisphere is half of that. So a half of 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Now r is 36 cubed. Alright, so that's the hemisphere, and then the cone, again you can look that up, is 1/3 times pi times the radius squared. Now the radius is the same for the hemisphere as, alright, times the height, 53. Okay, stick that all in your calculator, you should end up with 54,000 pi. Now notice I'm not actually going to deal with the pi because I reckon it'll all pop out in the end. And personally, if I was going to give you a bit of advice, as soon as there's pi in a question, don't actually stick it in your calculator until right at the end. Okay, now we're told that the volume of that cylinder here, this cylinder here, is, now we should know how to do the volume of a cylinder. It is pi times the radius squared times the height, and we're told that that equals 54,000 pi. Okay, so we can simplify this to 2 pi r cubed equals, and actually I can't be bothered to keep changing colour, so 54,000 pi. Alright, now then, simplify that, you should divide by 2 pi, you should end up with r cubed is 27,000, and so therefore r is 30, and it asks for the height of the shape, so therefore the height is 2r, so my final answer is 60 centimetres. Alright, marks you get for that, you get 2 up to this point, and then I think it's, oh no, so it's 3 up to this point, and then you work your way through to get another 3 for there, total of 6.